Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, I want to talk about how to stay motivated, especially when you are going through difficulty in your business, in your company, or maybe you're just aspiring entrepreneur who's just starting out and you just can't get yourself motivated. So stick around, coming up. All right, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. And let's talk about today's topic. I want to talk about how can you stay motivated, especially when you feel demotivated, when you feel frustrated, when you feel like it doesn't really work for you and it's never going to work for you, and so on. So let's do this. Number one is to rest, especially when you feel depleted, energetically depleted. I want you to pause, take a day off or maybe two, and just rest, because when we pause, usually the ideas will come. Something is not working in your business, something is not working in your life, you don't need to quit. And this is important because I know as an entrepreneur, someone who is running business, my business, so there were moments many times, especially when you're starting something new, that you don't really see those results and you feel demotivated. And then people always ask me, like, how do I stay motivated? And the thing is, it's all about the energy. How are you able to manage your energy? And in a way, it is about the balance, but at the same time, I want to say that I personally, when I'm on, I'm on, and when I'm off, I am off. So when you feel depleted, you just take time, rest. And that's going to mean that you're going to get some sleep, you can take a bubble bath, you can actually meditate. In fact, number 2 tip I was going to give you is daily practice of meditation. This is so important. Why? Because the meditation, it is not just for those people who are hippies or yogis or those people from the woo-woo people, or whatever you want to call it. Is actually for everyone, especially for light workers who are trying to achieve something, especially for high achievers, especially for business people, entrepreneurs. Is for everyone. Meditation is for everyone. Why? Meditation, it's a practice that is going to rewire your brain waves, period. And so if you have anxious brain, anxious mind, you are not going to be receiving creative ideas. And if you want to start receiving creative ideas, which is very important, especially if you're building your own business, you have to create space in your life. And it is all about the management of energy and management of your mind, your monkey mind, if you will. And so the easiest way for us is to start daily practice of your meditation, because this is the best way for you to rewrite your not only brain waves, brain patterns, but also limiting subconscious blocks that are even driving you crazy and is actually sabotaging your success. And if you want to dig even deeper on this, I highly recommend to check out my book, Love is the Lover, to talk about how you do that. Or you can actually book a call one-on-one with me, because I am coaching clients and using all different tools and modalities, especially when they want to break through and they want to go to the next level and so on. Meditation is the key. Number 3, exercise. This is important. Every single day you should exercise, you should move your body at least 30 minutes a day, because the movement is going to energize you and it's going to obviously give you the boost of endorphins that you need, and it's again going to refresh you. It's going to refresh your brain, and healthy brain will create healthy, beautiful results. Number 3, actually 4, is food. I mean, this is obvious, but sometimes it's not, because we eat sugar, we eat junk food, and sometimes we forget. But it is so important to actually get clean diet. Get clean diet. Next one I got for you is to go out and be on fresh air. Breathe in fresh air. That's going to again give you oxygen, it's gonna energize you, and it's gonna actually give you even some ideas. And again, don't force anything, because once you actually balance your day, you're going to balance your mind and you're going to boost the energy levels. And once you boost the energy levels, guess what? You will feel more motivated. And lastly, last piece of advice I have for you is really the mindset. The mindset is important. I highly recommend that you actually surround yourself with positive people. You consume positive content. One of them is my book, as I mentioned already. And you can literally change the energy instantly like that when you actually surround yourself with positivity. Everything is energy. It's the frequency. The words are frequency. even positive videos like these will boost you up, because it's all about the frequency. So instead of actually having the negative thoughts, you have to rewrite them. You have to actually change the mindset, and doing the inner work on daily basis is absolutely a must to keep that high level of energy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. For those who are ready to actually experience breakthrough, someone who wants to actually experience quantum leaps, I highly recommend to actually book a call with me, and we can brainstorm how I can take your business to the next level and how we can shift things around for you. The link is going to be below, and also below you're going to find 21-day challenge, how you actually change your life by applying 21 universal laws that are in my book, Love is the Law. And again, thanks a lot for tuning in, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.